Welcome to a presentation on using Acrobat Reader DC for Windows with accessible PDF files. In this presentation, we'll take a look at some of the many features that Acrobat Reader DC for Windows provides to support readers with a variety of learning needs. Acrobat Reader DC has a range of reading supports for students. Acrobat Reader DC is an application that opens PDF files. One of the benefits of using Acrobat Reader DC is that the application is able to display the digital copy of the original print page and then read the underlying text out loud. The application can provide text-to-speech support. To use this feature, it first needs to be activated. To do this, open a PDF file. Then, from the menu bar, select View. Come down to Read Out Loud, and select Activate Read Out Loud. Let's navigate to a portion of text that we want to have read out loud.
Same genes, different people.
Let's return to the Read Out Loud menu items, going back up to View and hovering on Read Out Loud. Students have the option to have the current page read to them or the entire document. By taking note of the keyboard shortcuts, students can pause or stop the reading without having to return to this menu item. For example, to pause reading, a student would hold down the Ctrl, Shift, and C key at the same time. To start reading again, the student can click on Shift, Ctrl, and V.
Print page 109. Making connections. Same genes, different people. Monozygotic twins, also known as identical twins.
I just held down the keys Ctrl, Shift, and C to pause the reading. Students can also use the mouse cursor to point to a block of text that they want read out loud.
Today, epigenetics is identified as a third factor that influences individual differences. Previous twin studies assumed that monozygotic twins are genetically identical.
Again, I just pressed Ctrl, Shift, and C to pause the reading. Students can select a preferred voice and determine the reading speed. To access these preferences, navigate to the Edit menu and come down to Preferences. In the left navigation panel, select Reading. From here, students can select a voice from the drop-down menu under the Read Out Loud options, and they can also adjust the speed. When done with adjusting the settings, the students can click OK.
Today, epigenetics is identified as a third factor that influences individual differences.
I just press Ctrl, Shift, and C to pause the reading. Students can also adjust the zoom level to a size that provides the best viewing for them. They can do this by using the settings on the toolbar. To support study skills and to help solidify comprehension, Acrobat Reader DC has features that allow students to interact with the text. Students can use the built-in highlighters to emphasize important passages. In order to use the highlighters, students can select the text by clicking and dragging, and then applying a highlighter. Students can take notes within the document by adding sticky notes. They can select the Sticky Notes tool from the toolbar, and then place it within the document. From here, they can type a note. Students are able to navigate the document quickly and efficiently using page thumbnails or bookmarks. These can be viewed by expanding the left navigation panel. Students can click on the thumbnail or bookmark to quickly navigate to the desired page. In addition to the features outlined in this video, Acrobat Reader DC has other capabilities that may be useful to students with print access needs. To learn more, check out the resources section on this page. This concludes the presentation.